Hey, and welcome to the Latitude Tents HQ, where today we're going to be running through the unboxing and installing of your Latitude Explorer roof tent. Now, the first thing you need is your roof bars, or in this instance, a roof rack fitted to your vehicle, and then everything else comes with the tent and is inside of the box. So let's get that all out of the box and run through the install process. So that is the Explorer out of its box. Now you need your fitting kit and ladder, which are stored inside. So we're going to open up the roof tent and get those out. So inside of the roof tent, you're going to find the bag with your telescopic ladder in it, this pouch with all the fitting kit and hardware that you need, your LED light cable, shoe bag, and the 2 window canopy poles. So with everything out the tent, the next thing we need to do is get it lifted onto the vehicle. So inside of the bag, you've got your aluminium sliders and bolts, associated nuts and washers, end caps, mounting plates, and then associated tools. You're going to want to take the aluminium slider and the bolt, and that's going to locate into the mounting channel on the base of the tent. So you slide those into place, 2 on either side of the roof bar or the cross member on your roof rack. So with the roof tent bolted down and secured to your roof bars or roof rack, that is it, fully installed, ready to go and be enjoyed.